Excuse me, sir? Could you please lower your voice?
Lower my voice. I'm already speaking quietly.
Actually, it's quite loud here. People can hear everything.
Come on, I'm not shouting. It's just a normal call.
Even normal calls can disturb others. This is a small space.
I don't think so. Nobody else said anything.
Maybe they are just polite, but I feel uncomfortable.
Well, I have the right to talk. It's my phone, my business.
Yes, but we share this space. Please respect that.
I'm not hurting anyone. Why make it a problem?
It affects everyone. We all need silence here. And there's also a rule. No loud phone calls on the train.
All right, fine. I'll stop talking now. Are you happy?
It's not about being happy or not. It's about respect.
Okay, I understand.
Thank you. That would mean a lot. I appreciate it.
The next station is Metro Central. You can transfer to Union Station here.